This is a 2012 Nissan 370Z. Its top features include Nissan Intelligent Key Entry and Ignition Systems, high-intensity headlights, a carbon fiber driveshaft, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.